Hello, my friend. How to create e-file ID for iPhone? You can create e-file ID in Google and Chrome, all browser. I can creating e-file ID in Safari. Open Safari, search create e-file ID, create e-file ID free. Click creating free e-file ID. Click sign. Wait. Click in this icon. Click create your e-file ID. Wait. Write first name. Write last name. Select country United States. Month January. Day 1. Year. Select year. Write your read email. Write your email. Next, new password for e-file ID. New password. Continue. Confirm password. Select your phone number. I have Afghanistan number. I write my number. Zero 06. Next, write this AG7X. Next, continue. Continue, click. Enter or write or fiction email. You say I copy and paste. Continue, click. Verify phone number. SMS. I write or fiction code 0650. Continue, click. Wait. Next, click and continue. Continue, click. Click continue. Congratulations, e-file ID.